Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder of the beginner class at the Kenn Centre on the 10th of May. Basically, we did an arm jive, a step across, a catapult and a half windmill. If you need a more detailed teach of those moves, there are links in the description below which will take you to videos where you'll actually get a teach for those moves. This is just to remind you of how everything went together. Starting with the arm jive, we were left to right, and it went like this. It went 7 and 8. Offer, pull in left, right, shoulder, turn, face, return for the step across, went underneath, switched hands for the catapult and went sweep, a lean to the side, spin straight into the half windmill. We went right up and back. Could have picked up the extra hand there if I wanted to go back into the arm jive. And that's it. Hope you find that useful. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice to. Again, I'd like to say thank you to everyone who likes and subscribes because it helps promote the channel, so really appreciate all of you guys. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.